As I'm nearing on my 23rd birthday, I reflected on all the lessons I've learned in my by now not that short life so far. This is as equally a reminder for myself as it might be guidance for you and a show of appreciation for life. So I do hope that you enjoy. Number 1, arguably the most important one that I learned is show appreciation to the people you love. When was the last time you said thank you to your mother or went on a walk with your grandpa? The people you love should be number 2 right after yourself. Second is always be grateful for what you have. There's so many things in life, your health, your bed, your family, your body, the experiences you had. There's always something to be grateful for every single second in your life. Third is to focus on experiences instead of things. You will enjoy and appreciate a trip or a weekend away way more than a pair of new jeans or a designer bag. Trust me on this. 4 is that making mistakes is absolutely crucial, and it's the only way to really learn is to make the mistakes yourself. Number 5, I personally would rather regret what I have done than what I have not done. This is a big one for me, and I still need to remind myself of this weekly, is trust in the divine timing of your life. Go with the flow of things. Everything will come to you exactly when you need it or are able to handle it. No sooner and no later. 7, find balance in everything. Strive for success and for rest. Number 8, in relationships, you want to go deep and not far. Create meaningful connection instead of superficial small talk. This I have learned by myself. Definitely is spend more time reading than scrolling. Almost everything can be learned or experienced or entertained by in books, and there's so much more fun than screens. 10, invest into yourself early on, and I mean financially, physically, mentally, nutritionally, spiritually. Like anything that is helping you in the long run, and you will be grateful for what you did when you were young. Number 11, communicate openly instead of talking behind someone's back. Also, just communicate in general. If you're not feeling well, communicate. If you need space, communicate. If you are feeling like you are mistreated, communicate. This is like the most important thing, especially for relationships, is that you just communicate the way you feel and what you want. Otherwise, it will not work. Trust me. Number 12. I know this can be hard, but try to give more than you receive. This is also definitely a big thing for me. 13. Meditate. 14. A reminder to myself. Give yourself time to play and seek out your inner child. Be silly, play in the water, race your friends, play games, tell stupid jokes. Give yourself time to be bored. Give yourself time to just wind down and do whatever you feel like doing. 15. Your most important asset is time. Use it wisely. 16. Stop caring what other people think of you and do not let that dictate your life. 17. Always be happy for other people's successes and celebrate others as genuinely as you would celebrate yourself, because that's good karma and spreading good vibes. Watch as many sunrises as you do watch sunset. What I mean by that is get up early to create the life you love and let it not just come to you and swoop you up and take you somewhere where you maybe don't want to go. Also, sunrises are just super dope, so watch some sunrises. Luis would definitely want me to remember this one is 19. There's no point in sulking. Whatever it is, get over it and keep on going. There's no need to be super mad about something for super long. 20. Divine timing is fine and good, but stop waiting for things to happen and take initiative. Nobody is going to do it for you, and also nobody knows what you really want, so you are the driving force of your life and you are the one who can achieve whatever it is that you want or need. 21. Travel and see as many places as you possibly can. It will definitely widen your horizon and guide you throughout your life. Maybe try to keep your CO2 footprint as low as possible. It's difficult, but there's always some small things that everybody can do, especially or even when traveling. And the last one, number 22, treat yourself with kindness, because there's no reason for you to treat yourself badly in any way, let it be physically or mentally. You are going to stay with yourself for as long as you live, so you might as well be nice to yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making this, and as I said, this will be as much as a reminder for myself and appreciation for life as it is, or might be maybe helpfully guidance for you as well. Also, last, I kind of want to add one thing that I want to make a priority for myself too in my 23rd year of life is to take care of Aina and Mother Nature, because obviously she's also super important for our life and for us to be living normally. So with that, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day and also great new birthday year in front of you, whatever your birthday is. Yay!